Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time around we'll be doing a cap video. Yes, we'll be doing a Nigerian cap video. So you can see this is the typical Ashoke cap, just like the sample you're seeing right now. So we'll be doing the cutting, the stitching and the finishing of it all. So this is a cap Ashoke. So we call it Ashoke as a Yoruba guy, and it's quite general. So yes, so we're tracing all the things that has to do with the cap, the measurement needed, and how to sew and cut a proper one slant way. And yeah, thank you very much. See you in the shots. So welcome and welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please kindly consider subscribing. If you're an existing customer, existing subscriber, please kindly like and share. Yes, so my cap is 22.5, so I need half of it, which is 11.25, and I need it in a length of, I need to add like 2 inch more for allowance. So this, you can see the way I slanted it now. I'm doing it in 13 inches. You can see 13.5 is the slant measurement I got there. 13.5, that's what I need for the slant, because I need two of those slips, you understand? So my cap is 22.5, so I'm doing this. 11.25 is the main one, but I need 2 inch allowance. That's why I added 2 inch to it. So now my height of the cap, the height I use for my cap for the cutting is 10 inches. The height I need for the cap is 10 inches, just like the way you see it. You can see the way I did it. So I mark the table 10 inch straight up. So I mark it and roll it out 10 inch. Yes, you can see 10 inch. Yes, it's quite clear and detailed. So my length for the cap is 10 inch. So now the slanted one is what I'll put down. So I will now mark where it's gonna be on both sides. You can see on that one and the next one also. So you can see. So what I need to do is roll it out. You can see. So it's the same measurement also. If it's not up to, I just have to adjust it a bit. You can see. So after that is been done, I'll adjust it a bit to make sure that it's on the same measurement. So if 13 is 13, that should be 13 all the way through. So if you haven't watched some of my video, please kindly like and share. Kindly check some of my videos how to make graduation gown, graduation cap, and all the other things. So because I need 2 of that, so I'm cutting 2 of this, just like the way you're seeing it. I'm cutting 2 pieces, so you can see. Yeah, I'm cutting 2 pieces, so that's the 2 pieces. So I'll be joining the 2 pieces shortly. So like I was saying, I talked about in my video how to make graduation cap, graduation gown, how to make a trousers, mine trouser palazzo, how to make a shirt, how to make anything that has to do with men's clothes, from corset also. We do corset also. So this will be the joining part. You can see the way I slanted it. So I'll be joining that part first. So now it's joined already. So you can see. So I've joined that. So I'll be folding it to one side. You can see what I just did. I folded it to one side and now cut the straight line first. You can see I'm cutting it out straight like that. So after I've done the cutting, so I'll be bringing that back. So that you can see that gives me a complete long cap with the slant and everything already. So I've joined that. I'll join that now. You see. So now my length of the cap is 22.5, but you can see I have S6 because of the allowance of 2 inch I added to it already. So I'll be doing that. So please, if you enjoy this video so far so good, just give me a thumbs up, just like the video. God bless you as you do so. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and to my returning subscriber, you are the real G. You are the reason why I'm here. Thank you very much for coming once again. So now so you can see it's joined already. So what I will do next is I'll be cutting my collar stay, because I definitely like to use the collar stay to have the structure inside. The length is 3.5. The length for my collar stay inside is 3.5. So I'll be rolling that straight till I get my circumference of the head. So what I put there is 25 because I need some allowance also. So I'll be cutting that out. 3.5 inches by my head circumference and more, because I need some to go inside also. So after that is been done, so I'll be applying fusing. I'll be putting this on the cap. So I'll be fusing it up. You can see. So I'll put that on it, then iron it firm. So when I'm doing that, I only left half inch down. Note, I only left half inch down. So I'm not leaving 1 inch. Half inch is what I'm putting down, because that's what I need. That's what I added for the allowance. That's what I need for the allowance. You can see. So that has been done. So I'll be cutting my lining now. I need to cut the lining. So this is the other part for the circumference of the head. So I'll be joining this to this to have the circumference of the head. That has been done. Yes. So now the lining. Yes, I use a cotton lining because it's better I use a cotton to have the same effect. The length of my cap, like I said from the onset, is still 10 inch. It hasn't changed, hasn't moved. 10 inches is the length of my cap. So for this one, for the lining, I'll do 9 inches because I wanted it to fold a bit. I wanted it to go in a bit, so I don't want it to be same length. So I'll be using 9 inch, so you can see. So 9 inches is my cap. So I'll be opening that up to cut it openly. So I'll be cutting out those parts. So the excess on that side is what I'll be using for the circumference of the head. You can see everything fits perfectly. If you have enjoyed to this extent, please, to this point, please kindly like, share, also consider subscribing. Thank you very much. So I'll be cutting this on a random round shape, but 4.5 is what I'll use for the 4 inch is what I use for the circumference. I use 4 inch for the circumference. That's what I'll use to cut out the whole shape. You can see. So I'll be creating the curve. You can see. So that's that. So with that, I have my caps already sorted out. So let's go to the machine. So now on the machine, I'll be joining first the down parts. I'm not sewing on the white cap, because sewing on the white cap is as good as damaging the whole process. So I'm not sewing on the white cap. I'm sewing on the part before the cap. Have you shared? So after that has been done, I'll be top stitching. Please, it's important you know that you have to top stitch. That's what makes the clothes feel balanced. Top stitch the clothes to the lining part. Then after that has been done, then measure your cap, your circumference of the cap. So adjust that. So measure that. Mine is 11.25, 22.5. So half of it is 11.25. So that's what I'll be measuring from there. Half of it, 11.25. You can see 11.25. That's what I'll be using. Same thing goes all the way down. So lining is not necessarily needed. So after that is being done, I will open the seam allowance. You can see. Then I have to fold it in, then top stitch the down part first. So I'll be stitching the down. You can see same line, not too much. Same line. Don't forget that my lining is 9 inch, so automatically it's still short, but I'll explain that shortly. after that is being done, I'll be moving to the upper side of the cap, the edge of the fusing parts. So you can see I'll be folding that because I want to make a stitch on it. So you can see I'm not holding the lining, I'm only holding the fabric itself. You can see. So the line is not being held right now as I'm stitching. I'm only stitching on the fusing on the fabric, and it's on the cap. It's on a straight line. The beauty is that to be a straight line. The good thing about this cap is you can stitch it as much as you want. Like you can make 4 or 5 stitches as much as you want. It's up to you, totally up to you. So you can see. So with that stitching, that gives the cap, the legs of both the main cap and the lining to be of the same length. So that's why I can automatically now get to understand that this cap is going to be on the same length now. You can see. So you can see even the line is a bit longer, but yes, at least there's a balance to it. So after that has been done, and I can cut out the excess on the lining. So if you have watched to this extent, please kindly like, share, subscribe to my video if you find it useful and relevant. So I'll be stitching this at the edge all around. After that has been done, I'll be putting the main cap on it. Yes, you can see. So I'll be stitching that around on the edge, starting from the joining part on the side. Yes, joining part is meant to be on the side, not on the edge, on the side. If you have watched to this extent, please kindly consider liking my page, kindly consider subscribing, kindly share, and also invite someone to like and share. Also, this is a community. Please feel free to drop any questions or on any concern you feel like you want me to address, and I'll be more than happy to address them for you. Yes, I'll be very happy to address that for you. And also, if you want a particular tutorial you want me to do, please kindly drop it in the comment section so I can do that and drop that also. So yes, that will also help me and help you know more and do more. So this is the cap. You can see how the outcome is. So this is me turning the other side of it. So shortly I'll be posting Awolowo's cap also. So yes, we'll be doing an Awolowo's cap, the Hippo cap. So you can see this is the finished work. You can see the folded and everything. Without the iron, is already looking perfect. So now let's iron and see what it looks like. I hope you've liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it to this extent. I hope you've learned something about this cap. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to my page once again. I really appreciate your love, your support, your kind gesture. Thank you everyone. God bless you, and see you on my other videos. Peace out.